Hello everyone and welcome to Tuesday's 2-Minute Tech Tips, and today I want to show you how to use pivot tables in Excel. So pivot tables are quite a powerful feature of Excel which allows you to manipulate data. So here we have some flat data, just a list of some sample sales data here, but we want to be able to make some sense of it, do some adding up, do some graphs and so on. So I'm going to select the data that I want to include in my pivot table and click Insert, Pivot Table. Click OK, it'll add that automatically to a new sheet. And then I've got all of the headers here that I can use to manipulate the data. So from here I'm going to select order date, and it will automatically break down the dates here. I'm not interested in the years or the quarters, so I'm just going to get rid of those. So we just have our order dates here. And then I want to look at the totals. So we're going to total up all the values across all of the months. So we can quite easily see here all of that information. Let's get rid of that blank. Okay, so nice and handy. But we want a bit more information out of it. So how, for example, we want to look at what reps sold what, totals of product across each individual month. So if we drag the rep into the columns, bingo, we've got the information that we're looking for. So it's automatically created a sum of the sales based upon the month and the rep. And then finally we want to add a table. So we click on Insert, and then if we click on this one and we want to do a stacked column chart, it's automatically grabbed the data from that table, put it into a chart. We can now utilise this information and we look fantastic. Provided the information that people want. I hope you found that useful. See you soon.